You've been told to eat less to lose weight. But what if the secret isn't about eating less, but about tasting more? What if I told you the flavors on your plate are a secret language your body understands? A language that can gently nudge it to burn more energy and shut down cravings before they even begin. You're about to learn some simple flavor hacks that can help you work with your brain, manage your cravings, and support your metabolism. This isn't another diet based on restriction. It's about using flavor as a tool to finally feel in control. Let's be real. You've probably felt that frustration, that feeling of being in a constant, losing battle with your own cravings. You start the day with great intentions, but by 3 p.m., that leftover cake in the fridge is calling your name. You try to fight it with willpower, but it feels like your own brain is working against you. And here's the thing, you're not just imagining it. We're surrounded by a food environment that is scientifically engineered to be irresistible. Food scientists even have a term for it, the bliss point. It's that perfect, calculated mix of sugar, salt, and fat that hijacks your brain's reward system, making you want more. Trying to fight that with willpower alone is like trying to hold back a tidal wave with a bucket. It's exhausting, and it rarely works long-term. But what if you could fight back? Not with more struggle, but with more strategy. What if you could use specific flavors to send powerful signals to your brain and metabolism, telling them to calm down, feel satisfied, and run more efficiently? That's exactly what we're going to explore by borrowing an idea from a totally different field and bringing it to your plate. Now, when you hear sensory diet, you might think of food, but it actually has nothing to do with nutrition in its original context. In occupational therapy, a sensory diet is a tailored plan of activities that helps a person's nervous system regulate its response to things like loud noises or bright lights, helping them feel calm and in control. So, what if we applied that same principle to our metabolism? What if we created a flavor-based sensory diet? It's a creative adaptation, not an established scientific term, but the idea is to use specific, powerful tastes to help regulate our metabolic system. Taste isn't just for fun. It's an ancient communication system in your body. It tells your brain about the nutrients you're consuming, and your brain responds by sending out signals that control hunger, satiety, and even the rate you burn calories. By intentionally adding certain flavors into your daily routine, you can start speaking this language. You can send signals that may help stabilize blood sugar, reduce nagging cravings, and even slightly increase your body's heat production, a process called thermogenesis, which means you burn a few more calories just sitting there. This is about making flavor work for you. So, let's get into the practical side. I'm going to give you 3 major flavor hacks, using stuff you probably already have in your kitchen that can be the foundation of this new kind of sensory diet. Our first hack is all about turning up the heat inside your body. We're talking about thermogenic flavors, the ones that literally create a little heat and, in doing so, give your metabolism a gentle nudge. The 2 rock stars in this category are cayenne pepper and ginger. The magic ingredient in cayenne is a compound called capsaicin. Research has shown that capsaicin can modestly increase thermogenesis, causing your body to burn more calories. It also seems to have an effect on appetite, with some studies suggesting it can help you feel fuller and reduce how much you eat. Then there's ginger. This zesty root has thermogenic properties that may boost energy expenditure and has long been used as a digestive aid, which can help reduce that uncomfortable bloating that sometimes triggers mindless snacking. So, how do you use this? It's super simple. Start your morning by adding a thin slice of fresh ginger to hot water with a squeeze of lemon. It's a great way to wake up your digestive system. For lunch or dinner, try a pinch of cayenne pepper in soups, on roasted veggies, or even sprinkled on eggs. Now, let's be realistic. Sprinkling some cayenne on your food isn't going to magically melt away 10 pounds. The effect on your metabolism is modest, but think of it like this. These small, consistent actions add up. When you incorporate these thermogenic flavors, especially as part of an active lifestyle and a balanced diet, you're giving your body a consistent metabolic advantage. Next, let's tackle the monster under the bed for so many of us: sugar cravings. This hack is about satisfying your sweet tooth without the sugar that sends you on a blood sugar roller coaster. Our tools for this job are cinnamon and high-quality dark cacao. Cinnamon is a powerhouse, and it's probably one of the best tools for managing sweet cravings. Its power lies in its potential to help regulate blood sugar levels. Some studies have shown that cinnamon can improve the body's sensitivity to insulin. When your blood sugar is more stable, you're less likely to get those dramatic crashes that send you hunting for a cookie. Plus, the naturally sweet aroma of cinnamon can trick your brain into feeling like it's getting a treat. Our second tool is dark cacao. We're talking 70% or higher. That rich, slightly bitter flavor comes from antioxidants called flavonoids. More importantly for cravings, that intense flavor is incredibly satisfying. Unlike a sugary milk chocolate bar that just makes you want another, a small square of rich dark chocolate can often hit the off switch on a craving. Here's how to put this into practice. An easy win is to make cinnamon your coffee's new best friend. Add a generous half teaspoon to your coffee grounds before brewing. You get all that aromatic sweetness with zero sugar. You can also sprinkle it on oatmeal, Greek yogurt, or baked sweet potatoes. For a powerful craving-crushing snack, try a smoothie with unsweetened cacao powder, a scoop of protein, a dash of cinnamon, and some unsweetened almond milk. It tastes like a decadent chocolate shake, but it's actually working to stabilize your blood sugar and keep you full. Our final hack is about creating an internal environment where your metabolism can run smoothly. This means addressing low-grade, chronic inflammation, which research suggests can disrupt metabolic hormones. Our two key players here are turmeric and matcha green tea. Turmeric contains a powerful anti-inflammatory compound called curcumin. By incorporating anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric, you're helping your metabolic machinery run better. Just remember to add a pinch of black pepper, which contains piperine and dramatically increases your body's ability to absorb that beneficial curcumin. Then there's matcha, a special form of green tea. Green tea is famous for a compound called EGCG, which some research has shown can give a small boost to fat oxidation, your body's ability to burn fat for fuel, especially when combined with exercise. But matcha also contains L-theanine, an amino acid known for promoting a state of calm alertness, which can help regulate appetite and reduce stress eating. Integrating these earthy flavors is easy. You can make a golden milk latte by warming up some unsweetened plant-based milk with a teaspoon of turmeric, that crucial pinch of black pepper, and a dash of cinnamon. It's a calming, anti-inflammatory drink that's perfect for the evening. Try swapping your second cup of coffee for a matcha latte. You'll still get a caffeine boost, but it's a much smoother, jitter-free energy thanks to the L-theanine. This simple swap can help you sidestep the afternoon anxiety that sometimes leads to reaching for unhealthy snacks. So we have the thermogenic nudge from cayenne and ginger, craving control from cinnamon and cacao, and metabolic support from turmeric and matcha. The real magic happens when you stop thinking of these as one-off hacks and start weaving them into a daily flavor ritual, your personal sensory diet. It could look something like this. You start your day with cinnamon in your coffee. At lunch, you add turmeric and black pepper to a soup. In the afternoon, you have a matcha to stay focused. And in the evening, you wind down with a square of dark chocolate or a warm ginger tea. By doing this, you're consistently sending your body the right signals all day long. You're not just eating, you're communicating with your metabolism through the language of flavor. If you found these flavor hacks helpful and want to learn more about working with your body, not against it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss a thing. And now, I want to hear from you. Which of these flavor hacks are you most excited to try first? Are you going to brave the cayenne, embrace the cinnamon, or make yourself a golden milk latte? Let me know down in the comments. I read every single one. For so long, the conversation around health has been about restriction, about what you have to take away. But a healthy, happy metabolism is often about what you add. It's about adding flavor, adding nutrients, and adding intention to your meals. So instead of fighting your body in a war of willpower, try speaking its language. Use flavor to outsmart your cravings and support your metabolism from the inside out. The power isn't in some magic pill or punishing diet. It's right there in your spice rack.